Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite dishes. As I said before, all the time in my video, we always make special dishes and your favorite. Guys, it's Christmas, and to be honest, I make the Jamaican rum fruit cake, and I make it very simple, easy. That's so you guys can understand the recipe. I didn't make it too complicated, put in a lot of ingredients to get you guys twist up and get mugged up with the ingredients. So I make it very easy and simple, straightforward. As I said, 3 pounds of fruits and 9 ounces of butter, 9 ounces of sugar, and also 9 ounces of self-rising. I use some self-rising flour this time, guys. Basically, you can use plain flour and still put your teaspoon of baking powder, but I did not make it complicated. I make it straightforward, easy and simple. But I have another recipe which is gonna come up very soon again, because there is a request for that one. So guys, I want to make you guys get straightforward with the recipe. As I say in the video, I show you how to soak the cake, and this cake would never pull until Christmas. I'm gonna leave it for the next 3 more weeks. That so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about. So right here is the Jamaican rum fruit cake, the black cake, the dark one. This is it right here, guys. So hopefully you enjoy the recipe, the Christmas recipe rum fruit cake. And as I said before, I make it plain and straight, not too complicated. That so you guys can understand. We love you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful Christmas and have a wonderful New Year. Guys, thank you so much for your time watching the video. It's amazing. See you next time. Welcome back again, guys. We're gonna make you Jamaican rum fruit cake. It's Christmas. Yes, it's Christmas. And we are excited when it comes to Christmas at year time. Everyone is just making their fruit cake and getting ready for Christmas. So today we're gonna make you Christmas cake. But first of all, what you need to do, make sure you have a big bowl like this one. This one is a nice size bowl, alright? I did start my egg earlier, and I said, I shouldn't do that, but I can explain it to you. Inside of my bowl right here, I have 4 medium-sized egg. Alright, and I did start to whisk it like this. Make sure you get beaten properly. Nice. So I did do that earlier, and that's the first thing what you need to do is to beat the egg properly. Alright? That's the first thing I did do before. But now I'm gonna start the process of making the Jamaican rum fruit cake. So first of all, what I'm gonna explain to you right here, inside of this little container right here, I have 9 ounces of unsalted butter, room temperature also. Right here I have 9 ounces of brown sugar, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of this. And basically what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna simply cream the butter and the sugar together, because when you cream the butter and the sugar together, you wanna get it really fluffy. So first of all, I'm gonna use my hand whisk to do that. By simple, as you can see, guys, what I'm gonna do. Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, as you can see, I just so I cream the sugar and the butter together, and that's the way it look. If you got a spatula like this, we can move things around. It's very good, because look at what it can do. It's very good to move things around. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, that's the sugar and butter. When you cream it, it's supposed to be fluffy. Alright? Really nice. So as you can see, now we're gonna take our time and add the egg to the sugar and the butter. Take a little time and simply just like this. And that's the last of it to it. And remember, when you're creaming the sugar and the butter, give it a nice, lovely, good 10 minutes worth of creaming. All right. Lovely. So as you can see, that's sugar, egg, and butter. All right, nice and lovely. So we're gonna add some liquid to this one. First of all, I got some vanilla, which I'm gonna add to it, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. We got some vanilla essence. We're gonna add some to it also, roughly a teaspoon. And simply give it another mix. That's one, as you can see. Looking lovely so far. Then put this at the side. Nice one. And then next, what we're gonna do now is get the flour. All right. This is the flour. To be honest, guys, I'm using self-rising flour. They must say, what the chef you're going with? But, you know what I mean? If you're using self-rising flour and if you're using plain flour, you put baking powder inside of it. The only reason why I'm using the self-rising flour, I didn't have any baking powder, so I have some self-rising flour. And I say I'm going to use it. But we're going to add some stuff to this one, to the flour. Roughly, we're going to add some nutmeg egg, teaspoon of nutmeg egg to it. That's 1 teaspoon of nutmeg egg. I got some mixed spice. I'm gonna add some mixed spice to it also. Teaspoon of mixed spice. I'm gonna bring up the flavor. And in the meantime, turn on your oven, guys, to make it get hot. It's very important, all right? Some cinnamon. Pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong. Some salt. Half teaspoon of salt. Lovely and nice. So far that's all of the ingredients so far. Give it a little mix like this. What I want to simply say to you, you can add also grated lemon or some orange, grated orange inside of it, or you can add also some orange juice, but we're just gonna make it plain and straightforward, guys. If you want to just make a little simple like a Christmas cake at home this Christmas, all right? Then take a little time and add it little by little inside of the mixture we have right here. So that's the first bit, and then we're gonna use this. Nice one. And add a little bit more. So you're gonna add it little by little. one. Then we're gonna add the rest of the flour. Whisk. Just around the side. So, as you can see, things looking good so far. So basically what we're gonna do is just look good. Looking lovely and nice. Tastes lovely. Tastes really nice. So we're gonna add some browning to this mixture before I put in the fruits. Alright? Give it a little twist this time. So that's 1 teaspoon of browning, teaspoon, and also another teaspoon. So that's 2 teaspoons of browning, and I'm gonna give it a whisk. Nice one. That's because I'm making a dark cake. I'm gonna add some more. That's 1 more teaspoon. Nice one. Use a spatula and get around the side. Alright. Nice one. Then we're gonna add some more browning, roughly 1 more teaspoon. I was using teaspoon at the moment, guys, so please bear with me. One. So we have it at a certain kind of level at the moment with the browning, but we're gonna add the fruits inside of it now. Alright? So if I explain how I did my fruits, alright, this is, I make sure I blend up my fruits. This is my fruits. Inside of my fruits I have mixed fruits, and I've been soaking ahead long, like 1 year now since I've been soaking my fruits. Basically I want to simply say to you, this is, I'm gonna measure this one. This is 1 pound of fruits inside of this cup, but it's mixed fruit. It got cherry, it got raisin, it got everything, mixed peel, orange peel inside of it. All right, this amount of blending fruits, the fruits is blend, and this is 1 pound, and I'm gonna simply add it to my mixture like this, and I'm gonna simple, when I add it, I'm gonna use my wooden spoon and simply work it in like this, guys. All right, so that's 1 pound of the fruits, which I just added to it. Then next I have some more which we're gonna add so all to it again. This is 14 ounces of more fruits, almost 1 more pound of fruits, and it's the same thing, blend fruits. So this is just like 8 and 8, 60, and 14 ounces more of the blend of fruits, and I'm gonna add it to it. Nice one. I'm gonna simply use my wooden spoon and just work it here, just like this. And I have also 1 more batch of the fruits again. This is 14 ounces more pound. Is only 4 more ounces to make 1 pound. So roughly I use 28 ounces of fruits plus 1 pound blending up. So if you want to work it out, you can say 3 pounds of fruits I use. Alright? 3 pounds of fruits, and I'm gonna add it to it just like this. Nice and lovely. And I'm gonna simple mix it like this. Christmas fruit cake. Really lovely and nice. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So really lovely. Nice one. So to be honest guys, I had roughly 2.5 large spoon of browning because you're looking for that lovely color. Look at the color. You want that really nice lovely dark color. You know what I mean? But you still have to be careful because you don't want your cake to be bitter, but you still have to look for that roughly dark color. Alright? So as I said, I'm just gonna give it another whisk with my blend with my nice one. So look at that. Beautiful. And that's what you're looking for. As I can see, this is where you want a cake to look, guys. Christmas rum fruit cake. Lovely and nice. And I'm just making it simple where, you know what I mean, nothing too complicated with it. And one have to be, oh my God, what Chef Ricardo do? So remember, 3 pounds of fruits, 9 ounces of flour, 9 ounces of sugar, 9 ounces of butter, and also 4 medium-sized egg beaten. Alright? So that's what you're looking for. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Preheat your oven first at a gas mark 5, and we're gonna bake this for 1 hour inside of the oven. Basically I might have to put this in 2 trays. Alright, I'm not gonna put it in 1 because I want my cake to bake really perfect. So now we're gonna get the tray and we're gonna put them inside of the tray now, guys. Look at this now. Nice and lovely. So this is my baking tray, and what I did, I just get a piece of a butter to rub in the inside. But to be honest guys, I did have the inches on it, but I take it out but I don't know where I did with it. So basically I say if you have this is probably a 9 inches cake tin. So but if you have a tin pan of yours where you bake a cake, just put it inside of it. Let's judge it, you know what I mean? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rub some butter on the inside of it like this. Alright. And I'm using the unsalted butter. Also same one. Then I'm gonna put my paper in the inside. So what happens is the paper stick in the inside of the tray. This one. Just cut off the excess paper on the outside. But to be honest guys, I'm not gonna fill up my tray, my tin sheet, my cake pan with the cake. I might split it into 2. Nice one. So what happened now? The butter help it hold it down really good in the inside. All right. Nice one. So what I'm gonna do is pop some in the inside. I'm gonna see how much can I put in the inside of it. So as I said, I might split it into two. Alright, I'm not gonna put too much inside of it. Put a little bit more in the inside of it. Nice one. So I'm gonna put the rest of that in the inside. In another oven tin, baking tray. Lovely. And so that's it right here. Preheat your oven, and as you can see, it's looking lovely and nice. So that's the first cake. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the other one in it. I'm not gonna show you how I'm gonna do that one. It's a similar same thing like this. So I'm gonna put it straight inside of the oven, and I'm gonna bake this for 1 hour inside of the oven. Gas mark 5 or 6 on a medium size each. Put in the middle of your oven, not on top, because you don't want to burn up your cake. Slow cooking do cook things perfect. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. And I'm gonna put it in the oven now for 1 hour. And tell you guys, you're gonna love this Jamaican rum fruit cake. Enjoy the recipe. And at the end of the video, I will talk some more things about the cake. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, I take the cake from the oven, guys. To be honest with you, when I bake the cake, I take it out and put it on over 24 hours for it to get cold down. All right. So this is the cake which I bake. The reason why I bake this cake, I make it very easy and simple, because a lot of people can't understand, get to the point with the Jamaican rum fruit cake. So basically, what I'm gonna simply do is just remove the paper from it. As soon as I remove the paper, we're gonna move to the next level. All right. So I'm gonna move the paper from the cake now, guys. So as you can see, this is the way how the cake look. The reason why I want to simply say to you, I made the cake is so simple this time. I didn't make it too complicated. I just make it just plain and straight. Because the reason why I did it this kind of way is because there's a lot of few people, yeah, keep asking me about the cake. So I say, okay, all right, what I will do, I will make the cake very plain and straight, not too complicated. And as you can see, the way the cake look is just really plain and straightforward, guys. Nothing too complicated, very simple. I use self-rising flour, and I didn't put a lot of stuff that you guys can get mixed up with the ingredients. So I just make it plain and simple. But basically what we're gonna do, I have some wine and rum which inside of this cake which starts soak already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour some on top of it like this. This is some fruits which I've been soaking over the last, call it 1 year now, with some rum. All right. So as you can see, this is what happened at the moment, guys. So basically, I'm gonna soak this cake. All right. I know you guys are gonna love this. And as I said, I did not make the cake too complicated. I make it very easy and simple. And basically, we're gonna tip a little bit more of the your good Jamaican white rum on it. All right. Lovely and nice. So this is the way how Jamaican them soak the rum fruit cake. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, that's the cake. Basically what we're gonna do, let's put it this kind of way over to the other side. All right, and on top of it like this, The only thing, to be honest guys, I leave the cake in a little bit too long. Wish I should take the cake out a little bit earlier. But you know, sometimes you're doing things and through you have other stuff doing, you know what I mean, you say to yourself, "Chop." But otherwise, to be honest, by the time you soak this, it will come out really, really perfect, to be honest guys. As you can see. Really nice. Really nice guys, and you know, soft, as you can see. Tip a little bit more rum. Wow, that's a little bit too much. Don't want to get no one drunk over the Christmas. So that's the cake which we are talking about. Lovely and nice. Then next thing what we're gonna do, just to make you guys understand everything what's going on inside of this place. Because a lot of people don't understand what's going on, so we have to make them know what's going on. So I'm gonna wrap my cake now, alright? I'm gonna wrap the cake because, to be honest guys, I want my cake to wrap the right and proper way. I don't want to be like, why I didn't do this, why I didn't do that. So I'm gonna wrap it and I'm gonna put down this for Christmas. This not gonna remove, not until Christmas Day guys. As you can see exactly what's going on right here with the rum fruit cake. So as you can see guys, this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with. The next one gonna come up very soon because I have the next one which I'm gonna be making, and I'm gonna make another one again guys. But the other one, look at that guys, beautiful and nice Christmas rum fruit cake. So hopefully guys you love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, please leave your comments and subscribe it guys. It's just amazing. As you can see, a nice lovely Christmas rum fruit cake from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for watching my cooking program, and as I say, we have a lot more recipe coming out. This is a tip of the iceberg, as I say. I make the cake plain and straight, nothing complicated. Enjoy it guys. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.